In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Flash Player on Windows. Before we begin, it's important to note that Adobe officially ended support for Flash Player, and most modern browsers have removed or blocked it for security reasons. That means you should only install Flash if you absolutely need it for a specific, trusted offline application or legacy content. Never use unofficial or random download sites, because they can contain malware or unsafe files. To get started, open your web browser on your Windows computer. In the address bar at the top, type in the official Adobe Flash Player download page. If the official page is still available in your region, it will automatically detect that you're on Windows and show you the correct installer. Take a moment to look carefully at the page. Make sure the web address belongs to Adobe, and avoid any extra bundled software offers by unchecking them if those options appear. Next, click the Download button to get the Flash Player installer. Your browser may ask you to confirm the download or choose a location. It's fine to save it in your Downloads folder. That's usually the default and easiest place to find it. Wait for the download to complete before moving on. This might take a few seconds depending on your connection. Once the download is finished, open your Downloads folder and locate the installer file. It will usually have Flash Player in the name. Double-click the file to start the installation. If Windows shows a security prompt asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes, click Yes, as long as you are sure it came from Adobe's official website. The Flash Player setup window will now appear. Here, you may see options related to automatic updates. For security, it's generally best to allow updates if that option is still functional. But keep in mind that official updates are no longer being released. After reviewing the options, click Install to begin the process. You'll see a progress bar while the files are being copied to your system. When the installation completes, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Finish to close the installer. At this point, it's a good idea to close and reopen your browser so it can recognize the new plugin. Then, visit the page or application that requires Flash. If prompted, you may need to allow Flash content to run in your browser settings. And that's it. You've downloaded and installed Adobe Flash Player on your Windows computer.